In this video guide we'll accomplish the following tasks. Create a new layout for existing project number 002 and existing zone DD. Add the following equipment. 3 items of electric panel 600 by 760 by 210. 2 items of electric panel 800 by 910 by 500. 2 items of sourdough tank. 2 items of yeast tank. Creating layout is a very important part of preparing projects. Conducting this process in our application is very easy and simple. It doesn't take much time. Here are some steps you have to follow. The main menu, select the layout. You see the list of all projects. Click the plus layout button on the left side of the screen. See the next list of projects for layout. Choose the proper project by clicking on its number, 002. After switching to the zone list screen, select proper zone. DD. On the following screen you can find top view of the zone with a grid, equipment library, equipment category selector. Set of tools to manage zone and equipment instances. Let's start to create new layout. Select the appropriate category from the drop-down list. Electric equipment. Choose the equipment, electric panel 600 by 760 by 210. Click plus on the toolbar, Create Instance. You see the form to create new instance. Enter the desired parameters, and confirm it by clicking button, Create Instance. The system prompts the instance name. New instance appears on the zone. We have to adjust position of this instance. Drag instance to correct position on the floor. Watch coordinate X and Y. Return to the equipment library, choose equipment, and click icon plus. In the creating instance form change the name. Put number 2. Enter parameters and click Create Instance. New instance appears on the zone. In the same way we are doing with the third equipment. Remember that you have to change the instance name. Put number 3. Third instance appears on the zone. With the second electric panel, we do exactly the same. In this case, we post it twice. New instances appear on the zone. Go back to the category. Now we choose Storage Production. Select equipment and create instance using icon plus. New instances appear on the zone. The layout of Zone DD is ready. Hover cursor over the shape of the instance to see parameters. X and Y coordinate of center of the instance. Rotate over vertical axis of the instance. Instance name.